The Belize Communications Workers for Justice now wants BTL to disclose exactly how much it spent on legal fees in the Ervin Marin case. Former union president Emily Turner claims the company paid out millions across all three courts, but says only BTL can confirm the real figure. This afternoon, protesters marched to Charter House and then stopped outside the Balderamos Arthurs law firm, whose attorneys represented BTL at the CCJ. Before any story could air, the firm issued a sharp warning to the media, stressing that Melissa Balderamos Mahler sits on BTL's board only as a non-voting corporate secretary, and that the firm has no dispute with the BCWJ, leaving them puzzled as to why the protest targeted their office. And then there's another turn. Attorney Glenfield Dennison is reportedly billing the BCWJ $183,000 in legal fees.
It is, in fact, what it is being dubbed a smear campaign. And I say categorically that the people of BTL really are miscalculating. The strategy was and has always been to get value for the BCWJ workers. I'm here because behind me is the law firm of the corporate secretary. And it is those invoices that the public needs to start to see. Since BTL wishes to talk about invoices, let's talk about all your invoices.
Is it not a fact that BTL sent a letter requesting that the BCWJ send in the quote for legal fees?
Paul, let me be very clear. The genesis of that invoice is in the negotiating room. Emily, Turner, and I are very strategic in these negotiations. When we say we are trying to get value for the BCWJ workers, one of the things we put on the table is the legal fees, the value of those legal fees, to let BTL understand that this is not a question about us trying to nickel and dime BTL, that going to court has real ramifications for the BCWJ and its members insofar as the direct amount of money they will take home.
I respond to that letter if there was no serious intention of collecting on it.
We knew they would leak it.
We knew they would leak it. We knew it.
When we say they're acting in bad faith.
It is so obvious. Like sometimes I wonder if they're thinking, like they don't stop and just think about what is being presented to them. We had a ploy to keep the 6% and draw out their legal fees.
We reached out to the law firm for comments. Balderamos Arthurs LLP says it had not earned millions of dollars in legal fees, while noting that it assisted two other senior counsels who were lead attorneys in the case. The law firm argues that the total fees paid to its office are significantly less than what Senior Dennison is seeking to recover from BTL for negotiating on behalf of BCWJ. Balderamos Arthurs LLP also states that there is no conflict in law, adding that former corporate secretaries have provided legal services to BTL.